Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting into some of my shenanigans. Today I'm going to be getting into some of my Lowe's shenanigans, so please keep watching. Okay, so I went to Lowe's today and I found two beautiful Hawaiian Pothos. They was labeled as golden, so let me go ahead and show you what I have. Okay, here is the first one I have to show you all. Look at her. Look at the color on these leaves. Look how big the leaves are. So this is the first one. Let me just sit her right here. And here is the second one I have. So these are labeled as golden pothos, but I know them as Hawaiian pothos, the ones that have more of a yellow variegation. Can you see the yellow in the leaves? It's so beautiful. And look how big they are. I'm so weird, I could not leave this at Lowe's, so I just went ahead and picked up two. One I'm gonna leave alone. The other one I plan on, of course, putting it on a mosspole. The other one I'm gonna leave her alone and just let her grow out as she normally would. This one right here, since it has some really good potential to climb, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on a mosspole and repot her today. So please keep watching. Do you see this Pothos farm I have? It's almost similar to the Monstera farm I have. So first, let's go ahead and get our plant mat put out. So it's getting pretty warm here, and I must say, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to record and sit outside, but I love repotting outside. So like I was saying earlier, it's starting to get pretty warm out here. You know, I'm in Texas, and you know, summer probably started back in March. So here we are at the end of May, and it's starting to get pretty warm. I prefer to repot outside, but I don't know how much, I don't know if I'll be able to get very good quality if I'm sitting out here, because you know, you got the birds, you got the AC, you got other people's AC unit running, you have people cutting the grass. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get her out of this pot. I'm a little nervous because this is such a big pot, but look how pretty she is. Amazing. So let me start by taking the hangers off. The stems on this plant is very, very thick and healthy. I don't know what they are feeding. I don't know what they're feeding this plant, but look at this. These leaves are humongous. They are like gold for climbing up a moss pole. And I just want to see if I can get them to grow a little bigger. Even bigger, actually. This is so beautiful. I hope I don't piss this plant off. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait. And I must say that this hanging container is pretty cute. Normally they come in the funny looking brown ones. Oh, she came right out. Ooh, she's wet. Ooh. Oh shit. Do you see these roots? They look pretty healthy. So let me see if I can get some of them untangled so I can get her situated in a new pot. And my plan is to reuse the soil that this plant is already in and just add some cocoa chips to kind of add some aeration, because she will be staying outside. had to go rinse the plant's root ball because most of the roots were intertwined and the soil was very compacted, but that's okay. I was able to get them loose. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the soil that I was able to get off the plant and add some of my own soil. And I'm also gonna add some cocoa coir chips to this soil to make it very aerated, because I know one thing about pothos in my experience is that they like a lot of aeration with their roots. And so I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna use my 8-inch pot or my 9-inch pot. And if I get the sizes wrong, I'll go ahead and leave them on the screen. But look at these two big babies. Here they go side by side. You can check the description for the links to purchase your own pots if you are interested. So let's go ahead and see here. Here are the cocoa coir chips. I have them soaking in water, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix this with the soil and some new soil. So I finished repotting this Hawaiian Pothos. It looks so beautiful. I went ahead and put it in one of my new size pots, which is an 8-inch pot. But look at these leaves. They are so big and beautiful. I still have some vines that I would like to pin to the moss pole, but I have to go find my pins. I don't know where they are, but this is the result. I still have the other Hawaiian Pothos that I'm gonna let vine, and this one I'm gonna watch her climb up this moss pole. I'm pretty sure she may need an extension pretty soon, but I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna go ahead and let her go outside and get some supple sun, dappled sun, so she doesn't get burned, but she can still get some great light, and hopefully being outside, she gets some really good humidity as well. So let me see if I can give you a closer look of her. And like I said, some of these vines, I need to go get a pin to attach them to the pole. But I'm sure within like maybe a few weeks, she should be attached and growing some new vines on this pole. So this is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of the products you see in this video, please check the description for the links to those products, and I'll see you in the next video.